Hi, welcome to another episode of Garry's School of Campsite Cooking. In this series of videos I'll show you some of the meals that I like to cook while on the road. Tonight we're going to cook rice with cabbage. I'll just go through the ingredients first. So we have, where are we? So we got rice, obviously, an onion, stock cube, vegetable, some cheese, rather more than we need, but that's as small as the butcher could give me, some bacon and some cabbage. So we'll get on and chop that all up, and well, then we shall come back to you. Right, well, I've sliced all that up. I'll cut the cabbage in a minute. I forgot to add the rice, so we got that right. So let's get on with cooking this up. Let's turn that down, it's way too hot. Always hard to get the cooker to the right temperature, rather. Right. Wow, that's frying. I shall slice the cabbage up. Right, I'll get rid of you again. Right, well, now the bacon's cooked a bit and the onions have softened, we'll put the cabbage. You know, this is where we go wrong with all our quantities. Give it a good sprinkle of pepper. Don't think you need any salt really with the bacon. The bacon's generally quite salty. We'll get rid of that bit. Don't worry, we got more over here. Right, so we'll fry that for a bit. Get that wilt down. Oh, is my gas running out? Oh, I think the gas is on its way out. Yep. Oh, right. Well, let's get past this bit. Oh dear, right. Right, well, the gas seems to be holding up. I don't know quite what was going on there. Right, well, that's all wilted down a bit now, so we will add the rice. We got half a cup. Well, I might not use. Fine. Right, let's add that in. Right, whatever rice you add twice as much water. So I've done half a cup. So we'll add a whole cup. Probably have a dash more as well. Right, also, I mean, normally that would be hot stock, but obviously we're camping, so we will just add cold water and then add the stock cubes in. I'll add some more water to that. Right, that's it. Right, let's give that a stir and bring that to a simmer. Right, that stock cube will soon dissolve down in there. Right, so we'll bring that to a simmer and then leave to simmer for 15 minutes, thereabouts. We're not doing very well tonight. I think I said simmer for 15 minutes. I think probably 10 is nearer to what you need. I mean, obviously check it as you go through, and yeah, you might need to add more water. If you've had too much, just leave it to boil with the lid off for a minute or so, and that'll soon get rid of it. Or put more water in and have it as a soup. Either way, tastes just as good. Right, well, I've sort of left that for 12 minutes now. Let's check to see. I mean, as you can see, most of the liquid has been absorbed by the rice. Right, let me just check that rice here. No, I'll leave that another minute or two. Right, let's leave that for another minute or so. Right, that's it. The rice should be cooked now. I'm sure it will be. I'm not going to bother checking it. Give that a good stir. Right, we can turn that off now, and then we can add our cheese in. Normally at home I'd grate that in, and we would use cheddar. I'm not too sure what cheese this is. I think it's some local cheese that it was the only cheese that the butcher could slice, so we'll add that. So that'll all melt in. Give that a good stir, let that all melt in. Fine, just takes a bit longer to melt them had it been grated, but it'll be fine. Right, well, there you have rice with cabbage and bacon. If you want a vegetarian version, just omit the bacon. Right, there you go. I shall get on and eat that.